Track star turned producer Usain Bolt's debut album Country Youths recently took over the #1 spot on the US iTunes Reggae album chart. The 14-track set dethroned Bob Marley and the Wailers legend from the pole position. Bolt said he was thankful for the support he has been receiving from fans for this new project.
Yo, people, Usain Bolt, I just want to say big up for the support. Wanna get the album, Country Youths. Anybody who not get it yet, go get it, go stream it. You see it, all platforms, it's out now. It's a banger, trust me, it's a vibe. Go get it. Usain Bolt said that. I'm out.
Country Youths was released on the 8-team Lifestyle Records United Masters label and features collaborations such as Say Less with Ricardo Bibi Gardner and Kamal Need Your Love with JXO, plus the chart-topping It's a Party featuring NJ. In an E-Prime interview, NJ notes that they worked hard on studying the craft to ensure that there is a track on the project for everyone.
Usain and I are humbled at their response to the fans. We put a lot of work into trying to put this piece out there, this body of work. We spent a lot of time studying the craft, trying to understand the different subset of the genre, dance or reggae music, and wanted to put out a project that highlights, a little Afrobeat type of sound, like a reggaeton type of sound, the UK trap, dancehall sound. So just that to ensure that there's a song on it for everyone. So the different things like that, and try just to have catchy choruses that people can sing along to, because as I say, you see fans are global and that everybody can relate to different topics. So we're just humbled at the response and just thank the fans for showing us a lot of love.
Country Youths is Bolt's debut project following the release of 3 rhythms, Olympia Rose, Immortal and Clockwork. Bolt also shared this photo of him and model Isabel Goulart on a new replay collection. In an Instagram post, he put fans on the lookout with a caption stating, "Major collaboration coming soon." Now, Replay is an Italian denim and smart casual wear brand that brings its authentic and contemporary style all over the world. Now, among the ambassadors to represent it were Barcelona FC's Neymar, Alessandra Ambrosio, Joanna Small, Adrian Brody, among others. The 2021 MTV Music Awards took place last night at the Barclays Center in Brooklyn, New York. The show was hosted by rapper Doja Cat and featured spectacular performances from Olivia Rodrigo, Justin Bieber, Lil Nas X, Casey Musgrave, among others. The night also saw Chloe Bailey performing her new single, Have Mercy, during her solo VMAs debut. The VMAs also saw big wins, which included Video of the Year being won by Lil Nas X from Montero, Call Me By Your Name, Justin Bieber being named Artist of the Year. Song of the Year went to Olivia Rodrigo for her massive hit Driver's License, while Giveon and Justin Bieber accepted the award for Best Pop Track. Another notable moment for the evening was rock band Foo Fighters performing a medley of some of their biggest hits right before receiving the first ever US Global Icon Award. The band also paid tribute to Rolling Stone's Charlie Watts with a handwritten message on Taylor Hawkins' drum kit. Simply, Charlie, R.I.P. The 2021 MTV Video Music Awards celebrated the channel's 40th anniversary by bringing out some of the hottest young talent and veteran performers on one stage. I'm Deidran reporting for E! Prime.